It's episode 7 of the Sam Jones Show, and today we're out here in the Vista talking about how crazy this market is right now. It's definitely a seller's market. Buyers, you're gonna need to step it up as far as the offers. Sellers aren't really haggling with prices nowadays. We're kind of seeing properties fly off of the market within a few days to a week's time. It's kind of crazy at this point. We've been running into a lot of multiple offers here with a lot of buyers, and I've actually had a few buyers personally that have missed out on a few properties because they kind of want to play let's make a deal with the seller. Because we have so many buyers in the market currently, I guess that's kind of that's definitely the reason for the inflation in prices, as well as the reason the properties are actually in such high demand. About a year ago, I say slightly about a year ago or so, we were in a market where you could pretty much come with a full price offer, ask for closing costs on that full price offer, and pretty much expect a seller to come back with no counter, just actually accepting that. Nowadays, sellers aren't going for that. You're having buyers out here come with full price offer, ask for closing costs, and actually lose out on properties. I've actually experienced a few buyers come in above asking price and still miss out on the property. So if you are a buyer and you're in this market, super competitive right now, you got to be ready to jump on the property right away and make it happen if it's one you like. Sellers, you guys are winning right now. It's definitely a seller's market. So much so that sales prices are being inflated higher than the properties are actually worth. Basically what we have going on here is we have so many buyers in the market and not enough homes on the market for sale to where the properties are experiencing multiple offers, and the final offer on these properties are actually ending up, in some cases, 3, 5, 8,000 more than the property's actually worth. You're gonna slightly run into an issue there when it's time to have it appraised, but at the end of the day, that's kind of a good issue to have if you're looking to really sell. Again, we have so many buyers out here right now that if there was ever a time to put that house on the market, it would probably be today. Not exactly sure how long this market's gonna last. They are talking about rates rising again, but as of right now, the homes are flying off of the market. So if you're interested in listing your property or actually knowing what your property could be worth, please give me a call today, and I'd be happy to sit down with you and kind of discuss some values of the property, as well as forward over some comps via email. Again, this is a crazy market, a great time to sell. Buyers, if you're in the market, it's super competitive. Come with your best offer if you like the property, and give me a call. I'd be more than happy to work with you guys and assist you if you're looking to put the property on the market to sell, or if you're a buyer looking to search. Give me a call, 803-447-0219.